Link is a robust and versatile professional floor scrubber from RCM. It is the ideal solution for cleaning medium-sized surfaces and crowded areas. Its compact design also allows it to maneuver easily in particularly narrow corridors and passageways. It offers up to 6 hours of runtime, also thanks to the option of the latest generation lithium batteries. With an 80-liter solution tank, it is available with a 53 cm disc brush, with a dual brush system, 61 cm and 72 cm, and with an orbital pad with a 70 cm cleaning path. Its quiet operation, at just 65 decibels, allows you to work without disturbing others. Compact and versatile, it adapts to a variety of cleaning needs. Link is designed considering the operator's needs, safety, cleaning performance, environmental impact, and return on investment. Solidity and robust construction are the hallmarks of RCM products. The front driver's seat provides excellent visibility and precise control. The large, slip-resistant wheels ensure stability and safety even on slippery surfaces. A convenient button located on the steering column helps and ensures the safe loading of Link onto your vehicle. The service brake is electronic and features an electric parking brake for safe parking. Optional HEPA filters can be installed to effectively retain microparticles and improve air quality. The controls integrated into the steering wheel make it easy to manage cleaning operations. The optional adjustable seat and the tilted steering wheel are designed to provide comfort for operators of all heights. Thanks to the one-touch control, Link dispenses the cleaning solution and begins washing and drying the floor. The preset cleaning programs Go Green and My Link, which can be activated with a single button, and the consistent iconography across all models make cleaning management simple and intuitive. Water is distributed evenly across the brushes, and the pump maintains a constant flow rate, improving cleaning performance and quality. The squeegee follows the machine's movements perfectly, ensuring thorough drying even when turning. The 3-stage suction motor ensures high performance, effective drying, and easy maintenance. Link is designed to simplify maintenance. The electrical and electronic components are easily accessible. Brushes and squeegees are easy to replace, even by untrained personnel. Replacement rubber pads are available in various types to suit every surface and type of dirt. They can be removed without tools and are reversible on all 4 sides. In accordance with RCM philosophy, clean effectively, profitably, and with minimal environmental impact, the Link range incorporates cutting-edge technological solutions. Here's how we optimize consumption while maintaining excellent cleaning standards. Go Green is an ideal program for maintenance cleaning with reduced environmental impact. It decreases energy and water consumption and reduces noise, increasing operating autonomy. DeterSaver keeps the detergent dosage consistent as the amount of water changes, thus avoiding unnecessary waste. AquaSaver increases operating autonomy by using the minimum amount of detergent solution necessary to ensure excellent cleaning. EnergySaver is a system for saving and recovering the energy used, thus increasing operating autonomy. Super Silent reduces noise levels, allowing Link to be used even in particularly sensitive environments. The true cost of a product only becomes clear after purchase. That is why, at RCM, we place great importance on manufacturing machines that are reliable and easy to maintain. The suction motor features triple protection: against water thanks to the float valve, against debris thanks to the filter, and against foam thanks to the anti-foam tray. Moreover, the dedicated cooling circuit extends its service life. The detergent solution filter prevents the solenoid valve and pump from clogging. Components are easily accessible to reduce maintenance time and costs. The wear indicator signals when to replace the brush, optimizing consumption and cleaning performance. The indicator's colors identify the different types of brushes. Link offers a variety of optional features to meet every cleaning need. On-board electronic battery charger, deter saver to monitor detergent consumption, solution tank fill pipe to facilitate water filling, cutting-edge lithium batteries to increase and optimize runtime, HEPA filters to improve air quality, radar for fleet management. Remember, there is always a red one just for you.